Have you ever think to shift your mindset? Hello friends, this is Yundan. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. Have you ever think to shift your mindset? This is just a reminder that our mind, our thoughts are very powerful. When you keep thinking negative, you're not going to grow. If you want to prosper in your life, if you want to live an abundant life, shift your mindset into positivity. Remember, your thoughts and words have power. When you think and speak God's promises over your life, you unlock abundant blessings. You have the power in you. Remember the powerful declaration to make every day. God can do more than I ask or imagine. The winds of favor are shifting in my direction. My best days are still ahead of me. There is no limit to God's abundance for me and my family. These truths take root in your heart. They will shape your mindset and change how you approach life. It's time to believe for more and declare God's promises and step into the life He designed for you. Remember that being grateful is one of the greatest things you can do in your life. Shifting our mindset is not an easy thing. So for me, in my own life experiences, I have been praying and praying to God to change me and mold me to the person He wants me to be. Because you cannot just do it right away. We need guidance. And how can we get guidance? For me, prayer is very powerful. I believe in God. I trust Him. And I know that He's always working for me. So everything, I take it to the Lord in prayer when I have changes needed to be done in my life. So shifting our mindset, you cannot just do that overnight. No, you have to plan it. You have to ask the Holy Spirit to help you and bless you. Remember that living the abundance mindset can really help you prosper in your life, can really help you to be blessed, and all things will be easier to carry. The burden you carry will be lighter when you can shift your mindset. Do not allow the negativity to come into your mind. You have to force your mind to think, to be grateful, to thank God. The Holy Spirit will work on within you. Again, imagine this. God can do more than you can ask or imagine. When we believe in God, so you have to practice as well, not just believing. Believing without action really cannot work on with our life. So we have to believe in God. When you believe in God, at the same time, you have to trust in His words, because the winds of favor are shifting in your direction when you believe and take actions. And what is the action? It is the prayer. And believe, verbalize that my best days are still ahead of me. This is very positive when you can think this. My best days are still ahead of me. You are setting positive expectation for your life. And believing in God, you have to understand as well that there is no limit to God's abundance for you and your family. You must just have to ask and believe that He is working in your life. Bear this in mind always, that there is no limit to God's abundance for you and your family. But you have to believe, you have to take action through your prayers, and you must not allow the negativity to come into your mind and thoughts. Remember, thoughts are powerful. Therefore, you must guard your mindset, you must guard your thoughts, so you won't allow the negativity to come into your mind. This is just a reminder of my lifestyle, my spiritual lifestyle, which I am sharing with you. You have all the power to shift your mindset today. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you supporting me here in my channel. I love you all, and bye-bye.